Hello. In this video, I will explain that how dark web made actually. What was the need that dark web need to be made? Actually, I will give you an example. Like Imran Khan, Pakistan's leader, which whole world accepts him that he is a leader. So what happened actually that he raised a voice for the poor people. Actually the reason is this. And you see that all the country, all agencies get against him. So there were some people like them, like Osama bin Laden and many other peoples who were rebellious. Why they were rebellious is just because of that the system they were living was so weak. People get manipulated and they were fighting with the another worlds. Their matters were so big that these people who you call innocent people and they think that they are very big one, they can run the world actually. And they were sort of people that if supposed to be iron, okay, and those words are pressuring on them that they will kill them. So what they gonna do? They gonna get manipulated and make me submitted to rehab or somewhere else. Like they get manipulated. And maybe I am near that I'm just gonna push a button and those words gonna destroy it. I'm just giving you an example. So those people into the history which are unknown almost, those were just against the system because it was weak. So they made their own system called dark web, and they put so many effort into it to make people secure. And then people start calling them virtuous people. Why? Because maybe they see and hear those things which another worlds were trying to say them, like they had a family or a friend and they were threatening them that they will pick that kid from house without getting into that house. This is the dark web, and they will do whatever they want to do. I don't want to tell you the cruciality for a reason. And maybe they did that thing to those threatening people who were trying to do something wrong. And then what happened is that the person whose kid revenge they took, they stand, they get manipulated, and they say to those people, the dark web people, that you are so brutal, you are so wrong. They get hurt. They get hurt by that. Our own people are saying this for the people we made this system, for the people we are trying to save, and they get an emotional disorder. I call it emotional disorder because manipulation happens with emotions as well. If your emotions are not strong and fine, you will be manipulated through emotions. And those things were, and they were giving answer to those words which innocent people doesn't know about. They were answering their cruelty with the cruelty. And later, when they leave the dark web, some people claim that dark web is there, and then dark web name goes so wrong. And they shifted to the next dark web, which called deep web, and there too this level of things happen, that another puzzles open in front of them about that what other another words are going to do. I'm gonna tell you some small things. See, mosquitoes you see. Search on Google mosquitoes injections. It revealed in front of world in 2006, and maybe it was 2017 or 18, and I was uh, fighting with these people, and they inject into my body like it's brain points, small brain points, and it's nano liquid into that injection. And there are many more things which I would not like to introduce. I'm just telling you the basics right now. And they will inject you, and then when they will inject you, maybe your arm be like that you are sort of a drug addict, your face be like, your body be like, you be so much, you can say, uh, weak, huh? So at this point, at this moment, I discovered something, that these things, if you rub them of your both hands, especially this one, your whole body will be healed. Okay, so these points are against it, like it will damage your body. And if you first do damage your body of both hands, and you damage and you heal, then heal your body through your front, these ribs, these I don't know what it called, lines you can say. So if you will do it, you will heal your whole body. And if you will first damage and then heal your body, then your body will be like it's reborn. This is called reflexology. This knowledge called reflexology. And at that time I do not know that any reflexology yet exists. I learned it into survival mode. So this is the positivity, like these are the secrets of healing of a person, and maybe I'm sitting a lot more than it right now if I'm sharing this. Like this point, this will heal your private parts, both. So the dark web is sort of thing that you can say that you go through your room, and a portal gonna open which you could not see, and you gonna be in another world which look like same. And how it looks same, it's a big thing. It happened through technology and another things as well. So this was the history of dark, and those people are right now at a very big stage who invented this. And some wrong people sit into the dark webs, and they said that these are there because they were spying them, they were getting to know that what the thing is, how they are doing it. Like into dark web, when the dark web was real, if you want to kill a person, like you just kill him, nobody knows, nobody sees, and that person is alive. Because human thing is that we had an illusion in it, in which our bodies, in our body, our souls are. So into previous time they just killed the body, and illusion remain like a person is this, we become this, like just like a empty, uh, like a empty, you can say, uh, empty bottle. He will be like an empty bottle. There is no water into it. So this is the dark one, the real dark one. This was, you can say. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.